To answer your first question, yes, it was the gambit of operations that we see. So there are a lot of use cases in the manufacturing sector that we can relate to from a RWS standpoint, and that's what made me reach out to you guys for this event. And whether it met my expectations, definitely it did, because I had some great conversations with some good decision makers that I'm looking forward to. The quality of delegates, I think we met quite a few decision makers here, quite a few who were interested in knowing the technology, who were interested in how we can create use case for them and what are the scenarios where we can collaborate. So yes, I think the quality of delegates were reasonably good, for at least for my part. There were interactions, there were dedicated networking interactions, and I think I met a couple of them whom I plan to meet in the next couple of days to take conversations ahead. So yes, it was fruitful. It means a lot, because especially for organizations which are looking at spreading their market in a particular region, summits like these really help, because it helps in spreading their brand value. Second, it helps them meet with a lot of people where you would have multiple use cases where you can start a conversation and take your business ahead. So yeah, very much useful, I would say. Go ahead. You need to be prepared with the use case that you are looking at. Go ahead. That's what I would recommend. One word to describe the quality of leads, I think they were outstanding. Biggest surprise about participating in the event, I think I happened to meet a person who I am already in talks with. So it was a surprise because I did not expect him to be here. A pleasant surprise. So yeah, that's the surprising.